That's headed away by Partey, falls for Fabio Ruiz. Good hit! Oh, what a goal! Hello again, everyone. So Arsenal's night of truth has arrived. It's their biggest game in Paris since the final in 2006 against Barcelona. And you'd forgive the players if there are one or two nerves down there in the tunnel here. So here they come, emerging into this wonderful arena, an arena that's ready for this Champions League semi-final. Well, Luis Enrique changed virtually all of his team at the weekend in preparation for tonight. The most significant news is the first leg scorer Ousmane Dembele. On it goes to Doué. Kvaratskhelia, early chance, oh, he's hit the post! He's so dangerous. And we could have had 3 or 4 goals already. We've only played 16 and a half minutes.
I know, but the link-up from Doué and Kvaratskhelia is unbelievable. It's fantastic. It comes up to...
Such an elegant player, Kvaratskhelia. Makes everything look easy out there.
It's a joy to watch.
There's the Georgian out wide and looking for that run of Doué. Rather than he's got Doué up there with him. It's Doué for Paris Saint-Germain against Saliba. And that's tame really at David Raya. But they can't give the ball away like that, Arsenal. In there. William Pacho, the other centre-back as well. And that's headed away by Partey, falls for Fabio Ruiz. Good hit! Oh, what a goal! What a time to score your first ever Champions League goal. Fabio Ruiz with an absolute beauty. His first goal in European football in any competition for more than 4 years. And you can't hit a ball any sweeter than that.
Yeah, it's a beautiful strike. I just say it again, how important is it to score when you're ahead and you're playing well? Arsenal sadly have failed to do that and they've been punished. I'm aware Kvaratskhelia has hit the post, but this is brilliant. The chest, the movement to take it away from Martinelli there is fantastic. It really is, because it opens the whole thing up. Martinelli's body movement means he can't go across back to his left, to his right hand side. That there to wrong foot Martinelli's beautiful, and it opens the whole thing up for him. And what about that for a hit?
A real sucker punch from an Arsenal point of view, but it's a wonderful strike. The way he lets it, as you say, Ali, his timing, his patience, he lets it run across his body, and then bang, he pulls the trigger. What a strike.
I'm just wondering, Martin, I'll ask you, defensively, the header from Thomas Partey, could it have been better? Could he have carried it further away from the goal?
Puts it into a real danger area there. You've got to be trying to flick that out away from the goal. And Ruiz had the presence of mind, the quality to pick his spot. So patient, and what a wonderful strike. Totally against the run of play.
Yeah. Well, big games, big nights like this need big players to step up. Spanish international Fabio Ruiz. And he's taken a Paris Saint-Germain chance to double the lead now on aggregate. but it's opening up here for Martin Odegaard. He had the chance to take the shot, goes instead to Declan Rice. Now Martinelli. Hakimi's challenge, corner to Arsenal.